This is Emperador. Ano Emperador? This is Newport. Ano yan? Saan ba yung Newport? Ayan, ayan o. Ayan. Ito ang Manila. Dito malapit sa may Manila International, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. And see, I am waiting for my luggage. Anak kong luggage adto pa. Dito na. Here is the shower. Here is the shower. This is the washroom. Now, okay. Very nice. Oh. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. And then, what is this? Ano to? Welcome to my room. This is the bed. This is the bed, and this is the view. This is the view, and then this is the table, and then this is